I've Mexicoda back again with an asset store review for Black Friday. It's 70% off today, only on the 30th of November 2019. It's World Maps Pro Bundle 2 from Connect for $44.70 on the Unity Asset Store. As I say, it's today only, 24-hour sale, so jump over to the Unity Asset Store and add it to your shopping cart. And if you use my link down below, I get some of that lovely commission juice as well. In this pack, you've got 4 kits that all add up to $255. So effectively, you're getting $255 worth of assets for 44 bucks on the Unity Asset Store. You get the World Political Map Globe Edition 2, the World Political Map 2D Edition 2, and the World Map Strategy Kit 2, along with world flags and weather symbols as well. Now these version 2s mean that they're going to work with the lightweight render pipeline as well as the standard as well. I'm really excited about this kit because I want to see what kind of games I can make. I love the strategy style. The globe stuff is fascinating of how beautiful and technically advanced it is. But I'm really excited about the strategy kit, the 2D stuff in here as well. That's kind of like more my bag. Hopefully the Globe Edition is going to inspire me to make some fantastic games as well. So sit back, enjoy, and I'll see you all in a second. I'm inside Unity and I've got in the World Map Pro Bundle 2 packs, and they are World Political Map Globe Edition 2, the World Political Map 2D Edition 2, World Map Strategy Kit 2, and World Flags and Weather Symbols. That's not number 2, that one. The important thing being that these are 2, which means they're compatible with Unity 2017 all the way up to 2019 and support the lightweight render pipelines as well as the standard built-in one. You can have then really beautiful looking worlds in your game. Now one thing you'll notice is that as I've imported in these assets, I haven't actually got the 2D one in the project. That's because really it doesn't really make sense if you've got the World Map Strategy Kit and the 2D kit in the same project. They will conflict against each other. So you can actually have the globe and the 2D in the same project, and you can have the globe and the strategy kit in the same project. I've chosen to have the strategy kit and the globe in this project. And if I go to the demos, you can see what I mean, because there's a 2D example, and there's loads of demos in these packs. So if I show you, if we're talking about here, we've got, let's go here, like mini map. These are for UI examples. Loads of things you can do. Okay, let's just go rinse through the mini map ones first of all. Now we're going to click on the left hand side, open the mini map. Bam, bam, bam. There's a mini map. And I go here. Ooh, this is. I just say, even just look at that. It is beautiful. It just makes it. It looks like the quality of something you get from Europa Universalis or Crusader Kings. These type of games. Civ. It's beautifully detailed. And because there's so many demos, we are restricted in what we're going to be able to do in this video. We can't sit here and go through everything. Let's go to a random position. Oh, we're putting the map in a random position. Okay, it's weird. Alright, let's get into another one. So they've got here, I can highlight. What is this one? This is Demo UI Population. Okay, zoom in. Ooh. And if I say, this is taken from the satellite. From world data. Boop. I didn't even know that place exists. Wow. Okay, this is actually, if I could just sit here for ages just saying, where is this place? Where is France? Does anyone know where Andre is in France? Well, you do now. Here it is, highlighted green. Highlighted green. Beautiful. What else have we got here in this pack? We've got several Earth background textures and styles included from 2K to 16K high res. We've got a cloud layer of animated drop shadows over the terrain. which I can't actually see any clouds going in this demo. I have to find another demo for that one. Let's pop in to, what's this one? Terrain examples. You've got artistic and animated fog of war. Must be a fog of war demo. Fly to Australia. Oh, it's easy. It didn't cost us a penny. Now we're gonna fly to Madrid. Lovely. Now we're gonna colorize Europe. And this is what you're looking at, a strategy game. All these different colours. Oh, mouse is a little bit sensitive. I have to tweak the settings down there. And toggle free camera. Oh, whoa. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna have that mode. Okay. Oh, that back. Oh. Oh. Okay. That's a little bit too much even for me. This is a nice one. You got animated, thick, smooth country borders. Use sample textures or add your own with a custom color, width, and patterns. Got a day-night cycle in here. Right, here you go. Thick border. They've got optional mini-map for navigation that we saw. Smooth runtime switching between 2D and 3D viewport modes, and dynamic country and province labels with adapted text to the terrain, as you can see here. A smart country label placement algorithm with curved text using Text Mesh Pro, and a line drawing system. Animated dashing lines supports show routes, throwing arcs, and we'll show that one in a second. If I go to, there you go, and there's the line. Route is Madrid to Rome. See the little hexes? Drop a tank. Okay. Oh, we dropped a tank. Then move this little tank. Show Earth set to a full, so only the terrain texture shows through. Pathfinding, very important if you're going to be doing a game, because you need your little units to be able to go and invade other places. So move tank on click. Move, move, move. Now let's change ownership on click. Ah, okay. Now I really wish I could sit and go through every one of these demo scenes, but I can't, because in this pack alone there's 42 demo scenes. Okay, that's crazy. Here we go, we've got another demo scene here for the pathfinding. You see this hexagonal grid? It's optimized here for low vertex count and highest frame rate. Now I'm gonna, so very sensitive. One thing I'll change is how that works. So I'm gonna draw a barrier. So there's a barrier there. Show mountains. There's the mountains. I'm gonna build a road. Okay. Now, I'm going to click on my tank, and you can see the lines, if you can see this, the lines for the amount of movement I've got exceeded my movement, and you can only move along this road. Can I move down here? No. If I used up my turn, I think I've used up my turn. Please add M for more points. Okay, got 10 more points. Now I can go here. This is using A star algorithm for pathfinding. I've got to go round this border. I'm going to push M for more points. I can't go through like this, so it goes around. What about the mountain? Oh, it goes around the mountain. Look. Da, da, da. Oh, it's lovely. And here we go. Let's go down. Can't go that. Can't go on the mountain. That is awesome. That is awesome. That reminds me of those Blue Byte games. There was a sci-fi version, and there was a World War II game. Oh, I've forgotten what they're called. I used to play them all the time as a kid on the Amiga with my brother. Loved those games. It was turn-based, and you played multiplayer, and you took a turn each on the same computer. And it used to take like an entire day to play. Loved that game. It was like flashbacks of doing that. can't remember what it was called. Put a comment in the comments section down below and remind me what that game was called so I can play it again. Member berries, my friends, member berries. Or we can erase countries. Just a couple of more demos on this one, and then we'll pop over to the big world map globe edition. Now you can see why. Oh, I've just erased a country. Kazakhstan. You can also customize the world, because this is India, like, is in this section, China is in here, but they don't have to be this shape. You can give other territories to other countries. You can change the world. Thessaloniki in Greece could belong to, I don't know, Serbia, and you could have Macedonia as part of Serbia and have them go right there if you wanted. It's up to you. The world is yours to shape, create. Just because it's using real world data doesn't mean you have to be online. There's offline features as well, so you don't require any internet connectivity. You've got frontiers of 4,400 more than provinces, more than 7,100 cities, and more than 240 countries from real data. It's crazy, crazy. Just how detailed this pack is. And it's beautiful. Let's go into create a map procedurally, because everyone loves procedural stuff. Okay, just exactly what I was talking about. This is my country. So how do we start this on? How do we start? How does this demo work, my furry friends? Just got my country there. That's it. That's right clicking, spacing. I don't really do much. So example here. What we're supposed to do? Demo. Procedural map there. There's no. Here we go. Frontiers. I honestly have got no idea how to use this demo. There's a readme. Okay, there's a readme. Let's open up the readme. Should have read it. Should have read the readme. That's what the readme is there for. To help you out. This example shows how to create a country from scratch using scripting. Oh. Okay. And then here's his script. So if I pop those down here, we can see that it's been drawn here. And then we draw a map. Okie dokie. So it's entirely by script. There's no interface. You can make one yourself, but lovely. That makes sense. Okay. Oh, that demo now makes sense. What's that? Let's click play. Oh, the colours are coming in. Did you see that? Oh. Let's zoom in here. All the details are coming in as we're going. You can see here, web downloads, cache. Let's go boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. Got the roads, boop, boop. More detail coming in. Wow. How deep can we go? Oh, look at this. Crazy. Oh. Wow. They've gone all the way to the hospital. We've gone all the way down to the hospital here. We've gone all the way down to the hospital. This is beautiful. We're going to zoom out. Oh, that is crazy. We went all the way from here down, zoomed in to see that little hospital. Awesome. Awesome. That got me. Oh, I did not think it was going to go that far. The detail just kept on loading in more data from the street maps. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. Oh, wow. Okay, there's loads of demos we can play about in here. There's loads of demos. But let's open up another one over here. I think this is a video in itself, is the World Strategy Kit. So put a comment down below if you would like to see me do more videos on these kits, because they are huge. I just can't. Let's call this an intro to this bundle. Let's go into a Globe demo from the World Political Map Globe Edition. And click play. Whoa. Okay. Change Earth style. Can I see the clouds? Can I see the clouds? Change frontier colours. Okay, I'm going to change the colours to be... Oh, here we go. Look, the interface below is moving as I'm trying to use the UI above. Add a little code in your UI to stop that. Disable the mouse for changing the world when you're actually over the UI. Let's fly to Australia. Like how it flashes. Let's fly to New York. What's our zoom level? Whoop. Oh, it went. That's a little bit too far, didn't I? Let's go out. And we've got here add trajectories. Oh, there's one. Toggle minimize. Texture sample. Oh, look at that! Brazil and America. Oh, stickers. Reset countries. Colorize. Oh, how do I get rid of the Warning! Warning! How do I get rid of that? Okay, it's gone now. Add marker. Locate mount point. Fire a bullet. Whee! Plop. Show state names. Oh. And let's colorize Europe. Okay, that is one big globe. That is one big globe. Virus plague. Oh, let's have a look at the virus plague. Let's have a look at the virus plague. So the key feature, this has frontiers of 240 countries, 4,112 provinces and states, location of 7,144 of the most populated cities in the world. It's a fully interactive map, 19 Earth styles. You can integrate this with the online map task systems, and it's got offline support as well. And this one also has pathfinding and hexagonal grid. There's just so much in these packs. You can have an API to hook into to make your games. Imagination is the only limit you've got. My imagination means I have to find other games and nick their ideas from that to get mine to work. Look at the virus spreading. Oh! Whoop! Oh wow. There so you can see the arch. Look at that. Okay. Click to spread. I bought Beautify on a sale years ago, and even to this day, with the new post-processing from Unity, I still always find myself sticking Beautify in all my projects. So I've been a happy Chronic customer for a very long time. And the thing about Connect is just his assets are so varied and different. And also you get this nice little bundle of world flags and weather system symbols. You get PNG and SVG versions in them. Got nice high quality flags. We've also got, where's our weather symbols? Here you go. So if you want to have like a weather game, be a weatherman, you can do it if you want. Now, this is on Unity Asset Store. It's a bundle pack of the version 2s, and version 2s have the lightweight render pipeline support in them. It's a great kit. I really do. I love the World Strategy kit. Honestly, I find more use of the World Strategy kit than the Globe, because it's just for the kind of games that I like playing. I feel like I could make something with the World Map Strategy Kit more than I could make something with the World Political Globe Edition, just because I want to recreate things like Civ, where it was on a flat map, or Europa Universalis. There's so much you can do. Let's have a look at Sleepy Map on this one here, so you all can see. Both of them, and actually all three of them, because the bundle pack also comes with the 2D world map. And if I zoom in here, much like we had about with the other one, whoa, you can see how the detail just comes in as I'm drawing and I'm zooming in and zooming in. You've got the top here, it tells us what it's actually loading in as well. Nice open street map. The only thing I'd say in this demo is that its mouse is really difficult to control. So hopefully we can customize that ourselves. That'll be a good video to show how to change the controller for this to not be so sensitive, have more control over it. Wow. Look how detailed we've gone in. That was loading so quickly as well. And as I say, you've got offline and online data. So you don't need to have your players connected to the internet. You could have them just grab all this data and cache it and have it in. Wow. Just to give it show context of what we're talking about. Look how far I've zoomed in. I've got the streets. You can even see like somebody walking around buying a kebab. And I zoom out. Look at that. That's how far out we went. Use your imagination. Come up with what you would make with this in your game. I'm going to sit here now, go through all of the manuals and the tutorial videos that Connect has on YouTube and find what I'm going to make with the World Maps Pro Bundle 2 kit on Unity. If you do like these videos, tell all of your friends, random people on the street, the Messi Coder is going to try and make 10 games in 2020. He's picking up some of his favourite assets from the asset store and he's going to make games with them. So if you do like it, click it. Till next time. If you want to see more of my crazy videos, click on the left side of your screen now, and down below there's that big juicy subscribe button, and right next to it is the magic bell that if you click it, it will tell you if I've got a new video coming out. Till next time.